Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So on this video, I will be showing you or sharing you how I do my portraits. By the way guys, this will be the first time that I will talk on my channel. So bear with me guys because I don't have this angelic and soft kind of voice. So anyways, let's start. This is the paper that I use. It is Strathmore Bristol. Has a volume surface. You can use other paper as long as it has a volume surface. Now for blending, I use makeup brush. I use this tiny brush for shading small details like eyes, nose, and others. I use this in shading on small areas. And for these brushes, I use it on big areas. And these are the pencils that I use. These are graphite pencils. I recommend to sharpen your pencils like this so that you can control the pressure of your hands. Erasers. I use this kind of erasers for the small areas. I also use these electric erasers, especially for the eyes. And of course, kneaded erasers for brightening up the dark shade. I also use charcoal powder for the dark area. So those are the materials that I use in making portraits. So now let's find a reference photo. I usually look on the Pinterest because it has better quality and pose. To make my portrait easier and accurate, I put my reference photo on the same size of my paper. Anyway guys, I am using Canva here. After that, I am going to draw a grid lines on my paper. Before I start sketching or do my grid lines, I use these 2-finger drawing gloves in order to avoid dirt or smudge on your paper. So right now, I am going to start my grid lines. So I will be using this 2H graphite pencil. I always use 1/2 inch for the distance of my grid lines. Same thing for the vertical lines. After that, I am now counting how many rows and columns I have. Then I will open this up on my laptop. It is called Proportion Grid Maker. Now I will put how many columns and rows I counted. Now I am done editing my reference photos, so right now I am going to start sketching. And I will be using 2H graphite pencil.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. Who you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
just some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell.
I also going to draw the shadows and where are the dark areas. And also the highlights on his hair.
I wanna call, try and get them know maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
get some me time. I don't know.
Just do what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel
Now
like
I will
months.
going to use 12, 7, and 8B for the eyes. But before I start, I always make sure that my pencils are sharp well enough. Now after shading the eyes, I just blend it out using this small brush. Now to darken the pupil of the eyes, I use charcoal powder. Now I will just brush out around the eye. Now I will use this kneaded eraser to brighten up the pupil. Now for the highlights of his eyes, I use this electric eraser. For the shadow of his skin, I use this 3B pencil. I am just applying light pressure here. Then blending out using this brush. And 2H for the highlight. I use 8B for the nose. To make the skin smoother, I just dump my makeup brush on the small amount of charcoal powder, and before applying on the skin, I will brush out the excess on the other paper. Then gently blend it on the skin. I use 4B pencils on the dark area on his lips. And 8B for the dark line.
I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary.
Now for the light skin, I use HB.
Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you. What can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you. You know you my thug and I can't shake this habit. No. I've been down, baby. They've been reminiscing. Maybe I'm missing. You wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the universe. Lost in no finding us. I've been down, baby. And if you wonder if I hate you, I do. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you meant to handle me. Used to be not violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with me. Now I'm at your solitary. That means no permission, no missionary getting boring. Switch positions. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen, no. I've been down, baby. Every reminiscing. Maybe I'm missing. You wish it was different than what I hate you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. If you wonder if I hate you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, bitch. Back on my pussy, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, act like you a stranger, memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up to 42, quarters too important.
Now that my portrait is done, the last thing that I do is putting my signature on it. This is the final result, guys.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's true.
Hope you guys like it, and I hope that you've learned something on this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my art videos when I upload. Comment down below for any suggestions for our next videos. Bye!